Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Image in Physics, and from name you can easily understood that this channel is made up for the physics students, and especially let me clear that this channel is only made for UG level students, undergraduate students, and also I'm working with MK Bhavnagar University. So this channel is also contain the topics which are mentioned in the MK Bhavnagar University physics syllabus. Especially this channel is made up for the better understanding of the topic, and students, and now in this crucial time during this pandemic, student can easily uh, understand the topic with online classes. So uh, I try to uh, make and explain the topics as simple as possible, so the student can understand very easily. And uh, from the channel I want to connect with so many other students also who are really very much interested to understand physics. So and let me clear also that my YouTube channel language is uh, mix up mix up of English and Gujarati, because there are so many students who are who, who are students in several colleges or institutes. They can also understand easily in the both the language, so I try to use both the language, English and Gujarati. So let us start our today's topic. So today my topic is based on the syllabus, means we have semester 1, 3 and 5. Currently we are working in semester 1, 3 and 5, and today's lecture is for the semester 3, and we have two papers in semester 3, and the paper number is 303 and 304. So today I am starting the topic from paper number 303. So, and the unit is classical mechanics. So today is the only introductory lecture about classical mechanics. I know that classical mechanics is the one of the topics which correlate with so many other topics in physics, like it is the pure mechanics topic. So sometimes it is tough, or it is very much difficult sometimes to explain to the students, but we try to make as easy as possible to understand the fundamentals of the topic. So સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે સિલેબસ જે છે એના ટોપિક જોઈ લઈએ. સો આઈ એમ શેરિંગ માય સ્ક્રીન વિથ યુ, અને જેનાથી તમે ટોપિક છે એને જોઈ શકો. પછી આપણે આગળ થોડું ઇન્ટ્રોડક્ટરી પાર્ટ છે એ આજે જોશું.